Hi, I am Miss Osborne, and today I'll be demonstrating the alternative algorithm partial product. So first, let's start with a multiplication problem. So we're going to do 425, and I'm going to use a one-digit multiplier. I'm going to use the number 2. All right, and the next step is we're going to break these numbers down or use the expanded form. So we're going to start with 4, which is actually 400. And we're going to multiply that by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I'm going to bring over the 2 zeros, which gives me 800. And then I'm going to multiply 2 by that 20 because I'm using expanded form. So 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to bring over that 0. And then 2 times 5, because that 5 is in the 1 spot, will give me 10. All right, I'm going to make sure that my numbers are lined up, and I'm just going to add. So that's going to give me 0, and 4 plus 1 is going to give me 5, and then I'm going to bring down that 8. So the answer to my problem, 425 multiply 2, is going to give me 850. And I did that using the alternative algorithm partial product.